Our bimetal thermometer product line hasn't changed much since the 60s and 70s, except back then this production cell was humming with orders for fellow US manufacturers of boilers, chillers, injection molders, even barbecue grills. Through the 80s and 90s, many of those customers closed their doors or moved overseas. Those who stayed turned to Chinese suppliers for their dial thermometer needs. We adapted, adding new product lines, RTDs and thermocouples, pressure gauges and diaphragm seals. But we never abandoned our original product, nor our ethos as a manufacturer. Today, this production cell is thriving like never before. The quality, reliability, and timely delivery we provide our customers have never been more valuable. And when I'm asked, will tariffs bring more manufacturing back to the US? My answer is, some never left.